When you need urgent repair for your rudder and propulsion equipment, MarineShaft is ready to assist you. For more than 50 years, we have performed cold straightening of bent propeller shafts and rudder stocks with full class approval. Our purpose-built hydraulic presses can straighten shafts up to 1.5 meters in diameter, and no matter where the damage occurs, a straightening is often a very profitable solution. We can offer you a complete repair solution, combining expertise with high-quality equipment. We use advanced repair and welding techniques to ensure top quality results, and our repair methods are fully class approved. We keep an extensive inventory of class approved steel in various grades, dimensions and long lengths to meet any urgent requests. This enables us to manufacture a new propeller shaft, rudder stock or other components with a short delivery time. With a team of specially trained and dedicated service engineers, we ensure a high level of service, and we make sure the goods are packed for safe transport back to the vessel. Let's get to work and find the best repair solution.